Good morning, and welcome to the Perivis Brief, where we bring you the key corporate updates that matter in just a few minutes. Please note that this is AI-generated content and may contain factual inaccuracies. Always consult original data before making investment decisions. We will take you through the key corporate news, but before that, a word from our price action analyst.
Here is a quick look at yesterday's market action. The broader Indian market edged up by about 0.2%, with notable moves in select stocks and sectors. On the positive side, IFSI surged over 15% with volumes 13 times its average. In capital goods, Techno Electric and Engineering rose nearly 15%, Apollo Microsystems gained close to 14%, and Schneider Electric advanced more than 11%, all on high turnover. Life Insurance Corporation climbed over 8% with strong volumes, and Sharda Cropchem added more than 8%. MMTC and GlaxoSmithKline Pharma also posted gains above 7%. On the downside, Entero Healthcare fell over 8% on heavy volumes. Orchid Pharma dropped 5% to a new 52-week low, while ITC declined more than 3% with trading activity, surging to 24 times its usual volume. Titagarh Rail continued its decline, now down more than 50% from its 52-week high. Several stocks hit fresh 52-week highs, including Anupam Rasayan, India Glycols, Mazagon Dock, Bharat Electronics, HDFC Life Insurance, and Force Motors. Meanwhile, Orchid Pharma, Nike Learning, Sheela Foam, and V2 Retail marked new lows. That is it from the price action desk. Now back to the main segment.
Now let us dive into today's key corporate news. Today, we will cover major leadership changes, business expansions in manufacturing and energy, and a brief roundup of earnings. Leadership changes. Tata Chemicals announced that Chairman N. Chandrasekaran will step down in May fiscal year 2025, with S. Padmanabhan set to succeed him. Indigo appointed Vikram Singh Mehta as chairman, replacing Dr. Venkataramani Sumantran. Cummins India named Soma Ghosh as CFO effective July fiscal year 2025. Business developments. In manufacturing, Schaeffler India opened its fifth facility in Tamil Nadu, focused on powertrain and hybrid components. Fortis Healthcare received clearance to acquire Shriman Super Specialty Hospital in Jalandhar. Aurobindo Pharma established Curatech Biologics BV in the Netherlands to expand its European biopharma presence. Oil India was allocated a potash exploration block in Rajasthan, marking its entry into critical minerals. LTI Mindtree launched Next Era, a Saudi Arabia-based IT joint venture with Aramco Digital. Earnings highlights. In autos, Ashok Leyland reported fourth quarter revenue of almost 14,700 crores, up a little over 8% year-on-year. However, PAT rose 38% to about 1,250 crore rupees. This discrepancy was largely on account of deferred tax adjustments. In retail, V2 Retail's fourth quarter revenue was almost 500 crores, up close to 70%. This came on the heels of 3 quarters that had been up 60% year-on-year. For the full year as well, revenues rose about 60%. Profit for the full year was up 250% to 72 crores. Welspun Corp's full-year revenue was 13,978 crores, with PAT at 1,902 crores and EBITDA at 1,858 crores. Piramal Enterprises received NCLT approval for its merger with Piramal Finance Limited. Zydus Life Sciences received US FDA Fast Track designation for Usnoflast in ALS treatment. And Prestige Estates completed 3 major projects in Mumbai, adding 2.8 million square feet of space. That's it for today's Perivis Brief. This is our last episode for a bit as we take a break and assimilate all the input we have received from you. We will be back soon. Thanks for listening.